Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing the stock license plate lights with some ultra bright LED lights. The lights are up under here on the trunk. Now when replacing these, you don't want to try and replace them from the outside. These little caps that are on there, try to get up on here so you guys can see. Those little caps right there are glued on. They don't come out from this side, so you have to open the trunk and go at them from the inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the stock ones look like, and then we'll install these ones and see what they look like. Alrighty, and these are what the normal stock lights look like. They've got that kind of orange dull glow to them. Go ahead and get a little more under here, and then we'll get the new LED lights put in there and we'll see what those look like. Now that we have the trunk open, we need to go ahead and take down this liner. We're gonna go ahead and take off a bunch of these little clips with one of our detailed prying tools. And then here, where this handle is, if you actually pop it open from the middle there and look up in here, you're going to have two Phillips head screws to unscrew, and then that will release the liner and you'll be able to access the lights. Alrighty, now that we have the trunk liner off, you're going to look way back up in here and you're going to be able to see where the sockets are for those lights. There's that cap that you could see from the outside. So you're going to pinch up here and just kind of twist. It's hard to get the camera in there while I'm doing it, but you're gonna go ahead and twist and then pull out, and there's the light bulb that we're going to be replacing. Now to change these light bulbs, you just simply grab it and you're going to pull down until it releases, and then we're going to go ahead and put the LED right back in there. Now we're going to go ahead and take one of the LED diodes, and we're going to use this end right here. The flat end of the connector is going to go right into the socket just as the other one was. Alrighty, I went ahead and started the car so that I could make sure they came on whenever I plugged them into the sockets, and as you can see, that one right there is on and very bright. Now to install it back in the little socket it goes into, you're just going to plug it back into the hole it was in up here. Let's see if I can get that without burning my leg on the tailpipe over here. And you're basically just going to turn it until you feel it grab into that little hole, and then you're going to click it into place. And believe me, you'll know when it happens. You won't be able to just force it in there. It goes in a certain way. All right, I think I just felt it go in there, and then no, other way. See, it won't let you do it unless you get it the right way, so don't worry about screwing it up. There we go. All right, and click. Perfect. We've got them both back in there. Now we're going to put the trunk liner back in. Alrighty, you guys, and we are finished up. Here is what they look like now, and they are so bright they're even lighting up the ground around the bottom of my car. That's a lot better than what those stock lights look like. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the lights or the install itself, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll also be leaving a link in the description below to some of the lights if you want to go ahead and swap yours out from the stock ones as well. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out another video on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.